YouTube, YouTube. I found the cheat code. If you feel awkward talking to the camera, I realized and I know the simple steps. A small YouTuber like me, I realized how to stop feeling awkward or nervous recording yourself in the camera. Number one is don't have a script. This video, I do not have a script. I'm just talking of what I really come into mind as a natural. I don't really force it. It's good to have bullet points in your head of what topics you want to cover or what words you want to say. But if you have like a straight line-to-line script on what exactly you want to say, it becomes robotic. And I'm telling you, people could kind of notice, as in you could talk fluently, and then sometimes it feels like you're speaking like this because you have to say those certain words. So I feel like there's a big difference. For some people, some YouTubers, I watch what they do and watching other videos, and they're really relaxed. Most of them, they just get up, click the record button. You can do your research, be educated on the topic. That helps too. But just having bullet points and not having a script, that's one main thing I realized what helped me get better on my videos speaking to the camera. The next one, I don't think people really, I don't know if I really seen a video that spoke on it, but if you look directly into the camera the whole time, it's a little weird. It's good to like look away, as in when you talk to a person, you don't stare into their soul the whole time. So if you look away at certain times when you're speaking, I realize it makes the video seem more natural when you speak into the camera. And another thing that makes it more natural too, yes, you're gonna mess up in the videos, but don't instantly just end the video. As in, say I mess up on the video right now. Before, the old me, I'll just run up to the camera, turn it off, and then do it again, and then start on the last word I said. And when you do that, your tone of voice doesn't sound, it's weird to explain it. I know you noticed it, but if you mess up on the video, you end the video and then you start back on the word you say, it doesn't sound fluid. As in when you're chopping up the video and you're editing, it doesn't look and sound the same. So the best thing you can do, if you do mess up on a word, just say the whole sentence all over again and stop ending and starting the video. Stop ending and starting the video over and over, because that makes it sound bad. Next tip I'll say for getting better talking to the camera is do it more, as in speaking to the camera more. With me before, I was thinking I was gonna be a pro off rip, as in give me the camera, I'm ready to, be YouTube famous. And then I realized how much practice I needed. Everything is a skill. So the more you do it, the less awkward it feels, and the more natural and different key points, as in watching your video over again, you realize of what to say, what words you kind of repeat over and over. So it helps you better articulate your words and just get a natural feel. But the only way to get to that extent is just to keep recording. So far in this video, I'm thinking, I kind of realized it, but so far in this video, I didn't end it. I'm just letting the camera roll. So that's one thing. I'll probably edit a tiny bit later on, but just letting the video roll, you see how you really talk and how you can get better in the video. And it's really not rocket science. YouTube is not no professional platform, because the best videos, realize you don't really have to edit. Editing is cool, but you really don't have to over edit. I feel like my videos, the ones that I kind of over edited, are the ones I put so much time into, do the worst. So I'm just batching up videos. I make a video speaking to the camera, post it. Just the more you do it, I've been more consistent lately. So I'm saying as a viewpoint, as in you had nothing to lose. Starting off, you might not get as many views. So there's really no reason to be scared to mess up in the camera and speak into it. If anything, you can motivate others and see how you get better over time. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, please. I want some more engagement. I want to talk to y'all. But that's really the video. Hope you enjoyed it and that was informative. And until next time.
1, 2, 3, it's a love phone.